Hi, my name is Jim Lyon. I'm the president of Capistrano Valley Glass Mirror. Here's something we recommend to help reduce maintenance and protect your investment.
Having the glass look nice all the time is always something that is important to us, right? I was looking for a product that would make the cleaning process a lot easier and a lot less frequent. I obviously did all the showers and all the bathrooms. I did a lot of research on it, and there's a lot of products out there. To me, Diamon-Fusion was the final choice. There were some pretty challenging situations. I wanted to just, go to the next level on the glass, and Diamon-Fusion was able to provide that. At the end of the day, I think it's the best product with the best service and the best value.